Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix unable to remove your payment method from iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, close it and now open settings. Type on Apple ID profile. Now type on media and purchases and view account. So here you have to select country or region. Tap change country region. Select your country. Type on agree. So you have to select payment method under none. When you select none, your payment method will be removed automatically. So here is the information you have to fill. You can fake one. Some countries will ask for the zip code. You can search on Google by your city name. Type on next. So now we can check here. As you can see, payment method has been removed from here. Now you can add new one. That's it. Thanks for watching.